Now, let's talk about Bodmas. Now, Bodmas. Remember, B is brackets. The brackets can be compound brackets, normal brackets, or the curly brackets, anyone. So that is brackets, meaning in any operation you clear brackets first. O is order, and inside order you have off, you have square, you have square roots, you have cube roots, you have square cube with 4/5 roots, you have cube also. So etc. So now that means the O is not just off. O is order, but inside order we have off, square root, blah blah. That means anytime you see any one of these first, you do it first. That is order. So the next one is division. D is division. So you say this division, or sometimes you say divide like this. So anyhow. So then you have multiplication. M is multiplication. So that is times. Then we have addition. That is plus. Then subtraction. That is minus. So now that means this is just Bodmas, and anytime you have question in Bodmas, you do it accordingly. Meaning in any question, if you have bracket first, do it first. If you have order, which is off, square, any one of these, do it next. Division, do it next. Multiplication, that means we are doing it according to how we arrange it here. That is Bodmas. Now let's see example here. Simplify simplify 2 whole number 1/2 minus 3 whole number 1/4 times 13/2. So now see this question here that I want to simplify. You see that we now have minus and times together. So anytime you have more than one operation together, you should use Bodmas. So now in this case, first change all this mixed fraction to improper fraction. So that will be 2 times 2, that is 4, plus 1, 5/2, minus 3 times 4, 12, plus 1, 13/4, then times 13/2. Now if you have this, what are you going to do next? Look at this now. You have 13/4 and 13/2 and 5/2. But look at the sign. Now go to your Bodmas. Which one do you think you will do first? Is there brackets? No bracket in our question. So we don't need to consider brackets. The next thing, is there off? So, or anything like order, yeah. No off, no square, no square root, so no order. Is there division? No division. Is there multiplication? Yes. That means you are doing multiplication first. You will see there is multiplication first before subtraction. So that means you do times first before you now do minus. So that is Bodmas. So this will be minus 5 over 2 minus 169 divided by 8. So how do we get that now? 13 times 13. Yeah, that is 169. Then 4 times 2, 8. And why do we do this one first? It's because multiplication first before subtraction. So this is Bodmas. So now you can now proceed as usual. LCM is what? 8. 2 and 8, 4. 4 times 5, 20 minus 169. So 20 minus 169 is minus 149 divided by 8. So you can now proceed. How many 8 can you see in 149? So how many 8 can you see in 14? That will be 2, 2 is 16. That will be 1. Remainder 2. How many can you see in 29? 8 times 3 is 24. So remainder 5 over 8. Answer. So now in real sense, according to Bodmas, the symbol you see first is the one you should do first. So that is why we use Bodmas. Now let's see another question. Let's say I have simplify one whole number 1 over 2 divided by this one. Now look at this. Is there brackets? Yes. Do what you have in the bracket first. That is Bodmas. So that's how you'll be using Bodmas. Always follow the order. So now is there brackets? Yes. Do bracket first. But I'll change everything. 1 times 2, 2 plus 1. 3 over 2 times 9. 3 times 3, 9 plus 2. 11 over 3 divided by 3 over 2 plus 2 over 3. So clear brackets first. You know I said you can cancel. You are free. So this will be 11 over 2 divided by 3 over 2 plus 2 over 3. Now after you have clear brackets, what order do you have next? You have divide. But you now have divide and plus. You see that there is division before addition. That means do division first. So this will be 11 over 2. Now division will change to times. This one will go up, 3 will come down, then plus 2 over 3. So now 2 can cancel out. That will be 11 over 3 plus 2 over 3. That means you have clear division. So it's now remain addition. So what is the LCM? 3. So you now have 11 plus 2. So that is 13 over 3. So 3 times 4 is 12. Then 1 over 3. Answer. So in real sense, we are doing bracket first. That is B. Followed by division. Then followed by addition. So that is Bodmas. Then we can solve question on this.